Hello everyone, my name is Iman Chalabi and I'm product marketing for analog to digital converters here at Microchip. Today I'm going to talk about our fairly new SAR analog to digital converters, MCP331X. These family come in two flavors, 1 megasample per second and 500 kilosample per second, and they are available in 16, 14, and 12-bit resolutions. As you can see, we do have a red wedge here to showcase the performance of this family. At the top, we do have our SAR ADC evaluation board. Inside this SAR ADC evaluation board, we do have our 16-bit 1 megasample per second differential chip. And also, we do have our MCP6011, which is an ADC driver specifically designed for this family. At the bottom of this red wedge, we do have our PIC Curiosity board. You need a PIC Curiosity board to drive this evaluation board. And on the left side, we do have our 10 kilohertz signal source. And as you can see, this whole red wedge is connected to my laptop, which is running an GUI, which can be downloaded in our website. And there is two operating mode for this GUI. One is continuous operating mode, which is showing the FFT analysis, our outputted signal, and also going through some of the very important specs and dynamic performance of an ADC, such as SNR, CNOT, SFDR, and ENOP. You can also change the operating mode to a single shot mode and see a bit stream digital output, and also you can play with a voltage reference, as you can see below. So for example, if you're working with a 4 volts VREF, it does the calculation for LSB and inputted voltage. The good news is that you can purchase the whole evaluation kit at our website. If you already have a Curiosity board, you can just purchase our SAR ADC evaluation board. But if you don't have a Curiosity board, I suggest purchasing the whole kit, because it comes with a Curiosity board and evaluation board, and Curiosity board is going to be ready to go. It's going to be pre-programmed with firmwares to run this GUI. And the GUI, as I mentioned, could be downloaded in our website. So please feel free to check our website. If you're interested in 12-bit flavor, check our MCP33141. For 14-bit flavor, please check MCP33151, and for 16-bit flavor, check MCP33131. Also, do not forget to check our MCP6011, which is an ADC driver specifically designed for this family. Thank you.